Does your JBL Charge 6 start beeping and making sound every time you plug it in? Don't stress, it's not always a big problem. Let me walk you through the main reason why this happens and how you can fix this. Most of the time, the beep sound indicate it's just the faulty charger and the cable. So if you're not using the original one, your speaker may not be getting enough power. So you have to try buy a stronger adapter and the original or compatible cable, or you can use the official JBL cable. So just try using the original cable or replace your cable, and now you have to check if the beeping sound stops. If it doesn't, then the issue may be something else. So you have to check if your JBL was around water or dust, so the charging pins might not connect properly. So if you suspect there is water inside your charging port or on your cable, so just clean it gently with a dryer and a dry cloth. Then leave them to dry for 10 to 15 minutes before plugging them back in. And finally, try all of this process. If it still keeps beeping even after all this, it could be a battery or internal issue. At that point, the safest option is getting it checked by JBL service. I hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.